In this video, I'm going to be talking about the filter module, which applies various filters to your video. So I've loaded in this video, which I created using Kyber AI, and I'm just going to switch on the filter module, and you can see it is applied right away. So here we have got 18 different filters. So this one is negative, so it just flips the colors of the image. And we've got color A, color B, color C. So 3 different types of color filters. We've got these 2 noise filters. This night vision one. Texture, tune, which gives it a kind of cartoony feel. 2 black and white ones. Kohl, emboss, and edge A and edge B. And we've got this trippy one, which kind of evolves over time. Pixel, which makes it look pixelated, and painting, which gives it a kind of painting feel. And any of these can be inverted using this invert button here. And then here we've got texture button. When that is activated, it will apply the filter as a texture map. So it's not going to change the color at all, but you can see it adds this additional texture on top of it. Up here, you've got a beat control button, and if you activate that, it is going to randomly cycle through all of these filters in accordance with your master beat control over here on your player. And what you can do, if you don't want it to go through all of them, you can click on specific ones. So say I only want it to cycle between black and white A, black and white B, and color A. You can either unselect them this way, so you can see the ones that are grayed out and not going to be selected, or if you click this button over here, currently it says select none, but if I click it, now it has unselected everything. So now I can actually select which ones I want. So I can click on color A, black and white A, black and white B, and it'll just go between those 3. So again, if I now click select all, they're all selected. So if you only want to take one out, it's easier to just leave it like this and go, I'll just take out texture. But if you wanted to take out more, just to save time, you can click none, and now it's selected none, and then I can just choose the ones I want. And I can just click on them or unclick them. And the ones that are highlighted are the ones that are going to be chosen. So you can see these other ones are sort of grayed out. We also have sound reactivity settings here. So instead of having it change in accordance with your master beat control, you can have it change in accordance with the incoming audio. The only thing to be aware of with this is if you want to select specific filters, if you go into the sound reactive settings, then you don't get the option to choose them. So what you need to do is turn the beat control on and then go into the sound reactive settings from there, because then you get the option to select specific ones. Whereas if beat control is off and you just go into either of these, you don't get the option to select certain ones. So if you want to do that, turn the beat control on and then go and click either high or low, and you can specify which filters you want it to go through. Let's just play some audio and see what that looks like. And down in the bottom left hand corner of the module, like with all of our ZwoBot modules, we've got these transparency controls. So this controls the overall transparency of the effect, and then here we've got a selection of blend modes that we can use. So let's just have a look at some of those with the audio, and I'm going to turn beat control on here. Change my master beat control, and let's hear the track.